Friends, welcome back to JavaScript 2 and JavaScript strings 2. Alright, there is this backslash here that we were talking about, and with single quote, backslash with double quote, double backslash, backslash with n, which means new line. Okay, return carriage, carriage return, tab, backspace, and form field. The escape character, which is also known as the backslash, can be used to insert other special characters in the string. This is the list of special characters. Okay, and if you want to break long lines, long code lines, for best readability, programmers often like to avoid code lines longer than 80 characters, which is why sometimes when I'm typing, I always try to tell you that let's hit enter and start a new line. If a JavaScript statement does not fit on one line, the best place to break it is after the operator. Okay, so let's look at this example here. Okay, you can get this list easily over the internet, or you can try to copy this from the screen. Okay, try to have them ready when you write down your examples and your homework that I give you at the end of each series. Let's look at this example here. Let me open up my notepad. Let me delete the screen here and let's get started. I'm going to save this as strings 5. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, begin typing. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, body tag, h1, tag my web page, h1. Okay, that's the heading. Open up the paragraph tag and say the best place to break a code line is after an operator or a comma, period. Okay, close the paragraph tag. In the next line, open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag. I'm just making sure I'm on the right track. Yes. Open up the script tag, document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to hello lady. Okay, you could just write that down. Alright, no typo here. Okay, and close the script tag. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Let's try to run this program. Okay, I just made sure that I didn't make any mistakes. Save as, all files, .html, save, and open up the strings file here. Yes, my web page. The best place to break a code line is after an operator or a comma. Okay, so for example, you broke the code line after equal sign. That's much better. Okay, this is just like writing an example, but with showing you the emphasis is where you break the code line. Okay, there's another way of breaking the line Let's write this example down. Let me show you how else you can break the line. Okay, with the aid of the backslash that we were working on. HTML body h1 my web page, and close the h1 tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say you can break a code line within a text string with a backslash. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, and open up the script tag, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to hello backslash, begin the next line and say lady, just like we did in the last example. End of statement marker. Close the script tag, please. Close the body tag and also close the HTML tag. Let's save this file as string6. Let's see if I made any errors. I'll find out when I run this program. String6. Also save it as .html. Save. Okay, there you go. You can break a code line within the text string with a backslash string. Okay, I have a typo here. With a backslash. Hello lady. Okay. So you can simply add the backslash operator where you want to break the code line. There's yet another way of doing this. Sometimes, some browsers do not support the backslash. What will you do then? I mean, instead of getting frustrated, there is another simpler but slower way of doing this. If the line of code is more than 80 characters and you want to break the line, this is also one of the ways that we're trying right now. The safest way to break a code line in a string is using string addition, that is concatenation. Remember? Let me write it. Okay, now this line itself is very long by JavaScript standards. Okay, so that's why we're learning how to break the line into a shorter statement safely so that any execution is not disturbed. Open up the script tag again and write document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to hello plus break the line, say lady. Okay, period, commas closed, end of statement marker, close the script tab, close the body tag, finally close the HTML tab. Okay, let's save this file and I'll find out if I made any errors. Save as string7. Okay, save and also save it as .html. String 7 is, yes, right here. The safest way to break a code line in a string is using string addition or concatenation. Hello, lady. Okay, what I don't like here is the lack of space, which you can easily add. Okay, like this. Okay, let me save this file and refresh. We've done this many times. There you go, space has been added. Alright friends, there is one more example to warn you as a caution. Please don't do this. What I'm about to show you in this example, just keep typing. You know how you cannot not break a long line of code. H1, my web page, okay, and save paragraph ID. Open the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo. You cannot break a code line with a backslash. Okay, that's what we're going to establish in this example. Open up the script tag and say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, break the line and say hello lady, and close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Okay, let's save this file as strings 8 and also save it as HTML, and let's find this file strings 8. Okay, yes, you cannot break a code line with a backslash, and it's not working. That's what we're trying to tell, that you know, if you use the backslash, JavaScript won't recognize the script at all. Okay, hello lady, it won't work. If you just add this backslash here, the entire line won't be read, and there is nothing to return back to in the script as a demo file, as a demo ID. Okay, so with this I'm going to conclude the strings. We've done many examples, and in these examples we learned that if a line of code is more than 80 characters long, you want to break down that line. And we did, with several examples, we did concatenation, and we also did, you know, different styles here. This was concatenation, and what we learned was that we could not do with the backslash. And we also broke the line with operator, the end of operator. We broke the line and the code was able to run safely. All right, with this I'm going to end this series here, and not this particular video. In the next video we're going to do JavaScript strings objects. Okay, stay tuned.